Welcome to Module 8.2, which focuses on dispute resolution on e-filing. So previously we mentioned that disputes can be triggered either via the dispute landing page or on a statement of account or via the notice of assessment. So on the screen below, we have now selected the dispute landing page. On the screen, you would also see that you can select which tax type you want to dispute. So whether it is VAT, income tax, or pay-as-you-earn. In the event that there are no items to dispute, the system will tell you that there are currently no items to dispute against. On the following page, you would see you have selected VAT, and the system is now giving you two items to dispute. Those items would be VAT interest and also VAT penalty. So the system has pulled through the information from our system, which now allows you to dispute these items. So you would select which one you want to dispute. So you'd see on your left-hand side, there's a block there where you can tick it and you would select that particular item. Once you have selected that particular item, it asks you for the dispute amount, which will automatically be pulled through, and it also asks you for the requested amount. So in this instance, you can see that the dispute amount has already been filled in. You need to now complete what is the requested amount. So for argument's sake, if the dispute amount is 251 Rand and you feel that the amount should be 0, your requested amount should then be 0. Or if you feel that the amount in dispute is 250 Rand, but the amount should actually be 500 Rand, then it means that the disputed amount is 250 Rand, but the requested amount is then 500 Rand. You've inserted this amount now. So now you clicked on the next screen, which will now ask you to give us reasons. So in the block below, you would see there is the block where you can type in the reasons for your dispute. This can either be related to only one specific tax period, or you can use the same grounds for all the tax periods. So what does that mean? So if I want to dispute only one period, and let's say for argument's sake for that period, something exceptional happened where you couldn't do it, you would insert that specific reasons for that period. So you would advise us of that. If it is that the preceding periods has different reasons, you would then give us a reason for each period. But like I said, if it is the same reason that can be used across all, because it has the exact same issue, then you can just say all periods. The system will then tell you that you need to submit the grounds if you have not completed anything. So as you can see, the system guides you. So the system won't allow you to proceed any further if you have not submitted the grounds as to why you are disputing. Once you are happy with the information that you've inserted as to what the grounds are, you can now click Next. On the next screen, you will then see a summary. So in this, you will see there's supporting documents. It says waiting for documentation to be uploaded. And then also it gives you the tax period, it gives you the source, which was your VAT penalties, and it also gives you what the disputed amount was and what the requested amount is. At any given time, if you feel you've made an error, you can click on the back button. This will take you back to the previous screen where you can now update whatever needs to be updated. If you are happy with it, you click Submit. Once you have clicked Submit, the system will now tell you that you have successfully submitted your dispute to SARS.